Hey Roblox fans, want to express yourself in the game with cool emotes? In this guide, I will show you how to equip and use emotes in Roblox step by step. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the Roblox app on your device and log in to your account if you haven't already. Next, click on the Avatar tab in the main menu. This will take you to the Avatar editor where you can customize your character. In the avatar editor, click on the emote section. Here you will see a list of all the emotes you have unlocked. To equip an emote, click the emote you want and drag it into one of the 6 available slots on your emote wheel. Once you have filled your slots, click Save. Now join any Roblox game that supports emotes. Open the emote wheel by pressing the B key on PC or tapping the emote button on mobile. Select your emote and watch your avatar show off. And there you go, that's how to equip and use emotes in Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.